Hello, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make someone obsessed with you. If someone has never ever been crazy about you, don't worry, I'm going to teach you. Please give this video a big thumbs up because I'm sure you're going to love it. Leave a comment below. You can comment anything, something good. Leave it in the comment section. Share this video with your friends. And finally, subscribe to my channel. Just subscribe. You're going to love it here. Trust me. So the number one thing is choosing the right target. You have to pick your target well. He or she has to at least like you. But even if you don't know if this person likes you or not, you are still going to do everything I'm going to say in this video. But I'm saying that this is how you know an easier target. It's always good to go for someone that likes you. That is someone that's going to be obsessed with you at the long run. So the next thing is you have to be mysterious. You don't have to tell or show everything about you. You have to be a mystery that this person cannot solve. Your goal is to always be in this person's head so that while the person is working or in school or while the person is cooking, even while the person is in the bathroom, you have to always cross this person's mind. Another thing is compliments. Shower this person with compliments. Even if this person is small or big, you have to tell this person that his or her stature is so beautiful. Even when this person tries to paint him or herself in the bad light, like, I don't like this thing about me, I don't like this thing about this, just be like, this is actually something I love about you. I don't even notice this thing you're noticing. Like, I can't even see these things you're seeing. You want someone to be obsessed with you? You have to tell them what they want to hear. You have to tell them those things that other people don't tell them. And if it's a guy, always bring up his past success. Because men, they are egotistic or egoistic. I've forgotten the word. So you have to always paint him in a very good light. Like he's so masculine, he's so smart, he's so amazing. And you know already if it's a girl, the only way to enter a girl is by praising her. Oh my god, you're so pretty. You have the finest eyes. If you start doing these things, not even one, not even two, not even three people are going to be obsessed with you. They're going to be all over you like, ooh, you're going to be running away. It's you that will be saying, please, I don't want this kind of obsession again. No, I don't want. What is this? And the good thing too is that these people too are going to be spoiling you. So because they are so into you, anything you tell them, they can and will actually do for you because, oh my God, you are their world. Their world revolves around you. See, I'm teaching people bad thing. I'm teaching people bad thing. Another thing is never ever argue with your obsessee. Don't argue. Don't go against them. Never ever judge their morals. Whatever life they're living, never ever say, wow, this is so bad. That means that you don't want someone to be obsessed with you now. So you have to agree with everything they're saying. Unless if you know that this person is not my kind of person, this thing is going against everything I believe in, then you know that this person is not someone that you should make to be obsessed with you. Then you move away. But if you still want this person to be obsessed with you, you have to agree with everything they say. Period. People lean towards people that agree with them, people that never ever judge or argue with them. Human beings go towards those people. Human beings love people like that. You get? Don't get angry or take anything to heart. Even if this person says something that you don't believe in, even when this person says something that you don't like, you can just smile and keep it moving. For you not to argue with this person, stay away from conversations that have to do with religion, culture, race, family, finance. Stay away from things like that. Let the person do whatever the person wants to do. It's when this person finally gets obsessed with you that you can now tell this person, see, I don't like this thing you're doing. Oh, don't talk to me in this way. Oh, don't talk to this person like this. Don't talk about this thing like this. You have to learn how to listen. Actively listening. While you're listening to this person, you have to ask questions, not just questions like interview. What is your name? What is your hobby? What is your no, it should be fun and engaging. Never ever interrupt them when they are talking. Your goal is to make them talk more. It's when people talk more that they reveal things about themselves and things they know. You have to listen closely. The more you listen, the more this person trusts you. The more they like you, the more they open up to you. Pay attention to details. So you know how to avoid the things they don't like. And never ever forget anything about this person. Everything they tell you, their mother's name, their mother's birthday, their father's birthday. If they have kids, so you have to remember things about their kids' names. Whenever you guys are talking, you ask them about their loved ones. Then they're going to feel like, wow, this person really, 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 really cares about me. This person has my best interest at heart. If this person has ever mentioned anything about work, maybe interview, maybe meeting, maybe project, follow up and say, how was this meeting? How is this project going? I hope you're doing well. Have you had dinner? How was your weekend? You have to be caring. You have to act caring. The thing about us human beings is that most times people don't listen when we talk. People rarely listen to us. So if this person actually knows that you're listening, you're paying attention, this person is going to feel like, oh, this person actually likes me. This person pays attention to me. This person listens when I talk. This person actually knows and understands me. So you have to make it look as if you've known this person. You have to make it look as if you and this person connected. Like this connection is too divine. People like situations that everything looks organic. Everything looks as if, oh, it's so natural. I don't know how this thing happened. It just happened like that. How can this kind of thing happen organically? By listening, by paying attention. Stop pressing your phone while you're on the phone with this person. Eh? Even when, for example, you meet the person one on one, whenever this person is talking, always look like this. Look as if you're lost. Just focus on this person. Look at this person like you're fascinated. Wow. Talk smartly, but act dumb. You can say smart things, but act dumb. Like you don't know this, I don't know that. Can you please explain this to me? I've never heard of this. Oh, that's what it means? Wow. You are so smart. How do you know all these things? I never ever knew these things before. Always ask for this person's input. Pretend you don't know something and ask this person what they think about this or how this person can explain this thing better for you. People love people asking them for opinion. People love people asking them for input, for advice. It makes them feel helpful and valuable. It makes them feel good. It makes their ego boost like, oh, you want to know what I think about this. So use it to your advantage, okay? Be busy, act busy, never be available all the time, never be clingy. Don't always be on the phone with this person the whole day. Speak very little on the phone. So give little and stay away. Be 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Act cold, act hot. Bring out your best foot when you're hot. Whenever this person is spending time with you, be like, wow, this person's gonna feel like, wow, where has this person been all my life? Then when you're acting cold, just withdraw. Like you withdraw. That is all I'm trying to say. I'm not saying that you should go and be rude or insultive or you start blocking this person. No, that one is you being toxic, and that one will not make anybody obsessed with you. That means that you're crazy. That means that you're going loco. Create time to talk. We human beings develop feelings when we talk or communicate often with someone because we start sharing and becoming vulnerable. You need this person to be vulnerable with you. You too, you need to be vulnerable but not insecure. You have to select your vulnerability. You don't have to just be vulnerable with everything. No. You have to be vulnerable with something that can work in your favor. And remember, never disclose too much about yourself to this person, okay? Choose your vulnerability. Choose the vulnerable things you're going to talk to this person about. Don't go and, oh, open your mouth and be sharing, sharing, sharing. No, no. He or she is not your therapist. If you need therapy, go and get one. But this person is someone that you want to be obsessed with you, not someone that you want to share all your problems or things that happened in your past with. You can share something that happened in your past, but not something that can be used against you tomorrow. Does it make sense? If this person ever opens up to you or is vulnerable to you about something, you can still share in that his vulnerability so that this person will feel like, wow, you guys are just meant for each other. You guys have experienced the same things in life. If there's anything you feel like you guys have in common that he has shared with you before while he's being vulnerable, you can still use that For example, if the person tells you that, wow, I lost my dog when I was 10, and if you've had a dog before in your past or in your family, you can still mention your own dog, like, our dog died too when I was a baby, our dog died too yesterday, last year. If you have pictures of your dog, you can still send it to this person. So this person will feel like, wow, we have so much in common and we love dogs. This is fun. Vulnerability is power. Use this power. Make this person jealous. There has to be a competition in the picture, okay? The person could be your co-worker, your neighbor, whoever, or your friend. There has to be someone else in the picture. But this person in the picture doesn't have to be close to you. Just mention the person once in a while. There's this person in my office. This guy helps me get coffee. There's this person in my compound. This person helps me bring in my clothes. This person helps me kill the cockroach in my house. Just, there has to be a competition. This person has to be thinking, oh, who is this other person? Who is this? Oh, there's someone actually interested in this person. Mm. So there has to be someone or other people interested in you too. You can't just be boring or bland and expect this person to be obsessed with you. It is still very possible. I'm just saying, to make this person have feelings for you faster and be obsessed faster, there has to be a competition nearby that will put this person on his or her toes. Another way of making someone obsessed with you is if the person is spending on you, if the person is spoiling you, if the person is investing in you. People follow their money. So try and make this person to start doing things for you. The earlier this person starts spending on you, the faster this person starts getting obsessed. The faster this person cannot even live without you, because whatever this person is doing, this person will subconsciously and even consciously try to please you, try to work so hard to give you that thing that you want. Another thing is you have to learn how to be free, how to be fun. You have to learn how to dance, how to move your body. For example, if you ever go out with this person, you have to dance with this person. You stand up and dance with this person. You can't be shy and want someone to be obsessed with you. You're shy. Hmm? Be goofy, be fun, bring out your childlike character. People love people that are fun. People love people that are childlike, because most people in this world are always serious. They're always so serious and taking life so seriously and personal. So you have to bring out your playful side, okay? But know that you're not a comedian. If he or she wants comedy, they should go and watch TV. You are there to entice. Your job is to entice, maybe seduce, okay? Bring this person closer to you, and not for you to be cracking this person up. If you're a lady and you're going out on a date with this person, the first time you're going to go out on a date with this person, wow him. While you guys are eating, touch his hand. Like, wow, you're so funny. Give him a nudge. Oh, wow, you're so smart. You smile. Make that dinner or lunch you guys have to be the best lunch or dinner he has ever had in his life. So when he goes back home, he has to keep thinking about you. Like, wow, I actually enjoyed myself with her. I actually had an amazing time with this person. Anyways, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you learned from this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Share with your friends. Share on your social media. And follow me on my social media with the same name, Siata Jolie. Okay, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Facebook, everywhere. And I can't wait to see you guys in my other video. Check out my other video here. Bam, bam. Subscribe to my channel here. Bam. See you guys. Mwah.